When a customer rolls into your shop worried about brake pulsation or a weird vibration when stopping, one thing you should never do is just throw parts at the problem. Let's talk about why new pads and rotors might not actually fix brake pulsation or judder and what you should do instead. Sure, replacing pads and rotors might temporarily mask a braking issue, but it rarely fixes the root cause. The only thing it truly fixes is getting rid of parts that are already worn out. To actually solve a customer's complaint, you need to look at the big picture. That means understanding the car, how your customer drives it, and most importantly, what's going on between the rotor, pads, and caliper. That pedal pulsing your customer feels is usually from disc thickness variation, or DTV. To break it down for customers, tell them that the rotor surfaces aren't perfectly parallel. When that happens, the caliper piston moves in and out to maintain contact, which sends pulses through the pedal. Every time the low spot in the rotor goes by the caliper, pressure drops. That affects both braking feel and stopping power. Lateral runout is another problem, or when the rotor wobbles side to side while spinning. That wobble knocks the pads back and increases pedal travel. If the customer feels a vibration in the seat or steering wheel, but not the pedal, it's likely brake torque variation, or BTV. BTV is caused by inconsistencies across the rotor face, from uneven pad deposits to a poor rotor finish or even metallurgy issues. Before recommending any service, ask your customer, what difference have you noticed in your brakes recently? That question opens the door for some information for your technicians. Tell them to take notes and listen more than they speak. Then follow up with open-ended questions like, is it happening all the time? When did you first notice it? And has it changed over time? By asking these questions, you'll be able to figure out if the issue is pulsation or judder, find out where it originates and when it happens. That way, you can make the repair and get it done right the first time. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.